What is going on? Jose here with a new video for you. In this video, I am going to share with you 2 ways that you can generate phone calls from Facebook ads. So let's jump into it. All right, so here is the Facebook Ads Manager. And to get to that, you just go to business.facebook.com/ads manager/campaigns, and that will bring you into your campaigns. Once you are here, you'll be able to select create. Once you hit create, there's a few different options here that you can select from. So the first one I'm going to tell you about is specifically to generate phone calls, specifically leads. So with the leads, you do have an option to generate phone calls. You see the option right there, calls. So you'll hit leads, hit continue, and then here you'll name your campaign. You've already selected your objective for leads. Here you can set up a campaign budget optimization budget. So you can set your budget here, or you can set it at the ad set level. So I'll just leave this here. That's for a different video. And then once you hit next, and now you're in your ad set, you'll name your ad set, which is typically this is where you're going to do your targeting. So a lot of times your ad set name can be related to the targeting that you're using. That way you can identify the ad set and the targeting that you're using. So here, instead of using the instant form, you would hit calls. And now this will focus on generating you phone calls where people will be able to call directly from the ad. So once you select calls, you can go through, do all your targeting, your placement, and all of that. You hit next, and then this is going to bring you to where you're going to create your ad. So here you'll select your Instagram page, name your ad, enter in any images or videos, text, headlines, descriptions, but then here you will add in the phone number. So select United States, and then here you would put in the phone number. And now the phone number is in there. And now once you have everything all completed, you would just hit publish and the ad would go out. And you'll see there, it'll have a button that says call now, and people will be able to call directly from the ad. So let me show you another way real quick. All right, so we're going to go ahead and hit create ad. So I'm going to create a new campaign. And so here, instead of doing a leads campaign, we're going to do a traffic campaign, because that also allows us to generate calls. So the way you do that is you select traffic. So this would be to drive traffic to your website, to a landing page, to an offer, but you're driving people off of Facebook typically, or Instagram. So again, enter in your campaign information. Your objectives already selected. So down here, if you wanted to do your campaign budget, or you can do your budget at your ad set level, hit next. Here you're going to do your ad set name. And then down here, you have the option here for calls. So the ad setup will reset. Optimize delivery for calls. Fill out all your information, targeting, placement, hit next. Select your Facebook page, Instagram page, and then your ad creative, ad copy, headlines, description. And again, this is where you'll enter in your phone number. And then you have your phone number added in there. And then you'll see a preview here on the right-hand side. And let me go back. I'm going to show you another way real quick as far as what you can do for phone calls. Here you have, say you do want to drive website traffic and be able to get phone calls. So you drive website traffic. You want landing page views because you want people to actually get to your website or to your landing page. Adjust your budget, adjust all your targeting and your placement. Go to next. Add name, Facebook page, Instagram page, and then you get into your creative. So add in your pictures and images, videos, your text, your headlines, your descriptions, Remember, you can always add in more than just one. So remember, add text option. So you can add in multiple. The call to action. Then you have the website that you want people to go to. But then you have this option here, show a call extension on your website. So with this will allow me, again, to enter in my phone number. And now when people go to the website, they'll also be able to see my phone number right there and be able to call. So when they get to the landing page, get to the website, they'll also be given an option to click to call the phone number at the bottom of the website. So those are a few ways that you can generate some phone calls from your Facebook ads. If you have any questions or anything, please feel free to reach out. I'm always happy to help. Until the next video, peace.